Following the upward trend observed in Q4 of 2022, the price of gold continued to rise at the start of 2023. After the significant gains recorded in March, the gold-USD pair encountered a corrective phase during the third quarter prior to ascending to an all-time high that surpassed $2,100 in early December. In the run-up to 2024, gold is confronted with a dual-risk scenario. Prospective geopolitical events, the state of the global economy, and the imminent monetary policy decisions of the Federal Reserve all possess the capacity to exert a substantial impact on the future trajectory of the gold-USD pair. In the weekly gold-USD price remains bullish in the long-term outlook, where the current RSI is above the 50 line. In the broader outlook, the gold-USD price remained bullish, with the interim resistance at the 2060 level. In that case, an additional bullish continuation towards the 2125 to 2150 area is possible, which needs a stable price above the 2060 level. On the bearish side, the 20-week simple moving average has an upward slope. In that case, an extended bearish pressure with a daily candle below the 1960 level could lower the price toward the 1880 support level in the coming days.